Bengaluru dominated for most parts of the game. That said, are you happy taking 1 point from the game?
I am not happy because always I won 3 points. Because when you cannot to get 3 points, it's good not lose the match. And I think today 1 point for us before the match is not good. But if you saw the match, I think it's good 1 point.
Do you think you are lucky enough to secure 1 point after getting that penalty, or was it deserving?
I think the match during 90 minutes, 90 or 94 half and 30 seconds more, and I don't think we are lucky. I think the Bengaluru dominate during the game. In the first half, sure. I think the first minutes in the second half, my team is working well. And when concede 1 goal, we have some problems. But Bengaluru dominated the game, but not had very clear chances. I think it's possible for chances. We have some chances, and is a penalty is possible in the other option with Jackie, but I think is just the result. I don't know the word is just the result. The result is okay. The result.
Coach, were Edu Bedia and Hugo Boomers available and you didn't choose to take the risk? And do you think FC Goa missed them because the team didn't play the usual tiki-taka fluid football brand?
Today, the big problem for us is the first half don't have the ball, don't keep the possession, play only in our half. And when recover the ball, the team long distance between lines, and it's very difficult to arrive our goal. When you recover the ball near our goal, no? It's true. I'm missing all players, and as a coach, I want to have all a squad. Not because some players is not working well. It's 2 matches in a short time, and some players are tired. And obviously, Edubedia and Bumus, we are a very good players for us. And today, if it's possible, in some periods of the match, we're missing these players. But I am very proud with the players to play today, and their job.
So they were available. So the 2 players were available.
Not available. No, it's not possible. Not arrive during the test, the last 2 trainings, not arrive to play the match.
Midfield did not function too well. Would you agree with that?
Usually they were so well.
Who player?
Brendan and company.
I think all team play 100% of the possibilities. Not is problem one player or one position. I think the problems in our first half is all the team, not only one player.
Do you think you could have done anything differently today?
Anything different? No. No. I think today is a very difficult match. Play against a very good team, big challenge for us. And in this circumstance, I am happy with the work of my players, and I'm happy with the result. But obviously, I want 3 points. But today is a difficult match, and I think 1 point is good for us.
Coach, did you consider at the halftime enforcing a change, considering the fact that in the first half, Manveer was overpassing the ball, probably play Koro up front and get Brandon behind him, and Jackie Chan on the wing?
It's one option, but I think when we recover Jaho playing in their position as a midfield, and I need one player on the bench, or Len or Jackie. I think Manbir worked very well in the last match, Jackie too. But I decided to play with Koro as attacking midfield, Manbir with their central backs, strong central backs. I think Beke and Juan and two very good central backs. And maybe it's possible Jackie is a good option, but I think during the match I can use Jackie in the second half. It's better for us because fresh the player is possible to improve our level. But my option, I take decisions as a coach, and I think today the best option is play with Len, Manbir, Koro, and the situation during the match.
Today we managed the game. I think that sometimes with Goa it's like 50%, but today we were really managing the game and not getting them to create chances. I don't remember any save from Gurpit. I don't remember that. So happy with the work of the team, happy with the heart of my players. They go. But not happy with the result because I think that we really deserve the 3 points.
Coach, you all have got 2 points in 2 games. How much of an absence is the loss of Miku from the side, as also the absence of Patalu?
Well, we have no Miku for half of the season, and we got a lot of points last season. I mean, it was not Miku there, and we keep getting points. And with Partal also, he was out in the semi-finals and the final, and we get the Super League. What I mean is that we work as a team, and we are 25 players to give what they have when they are requested for me. So I'm not worried about that. I think that we deserve the 6 points until now. We get 2, okay, but the chances are there. So we manage the games, we create the chances, and I'm not really worried about the past. I mean, the past is there. Miku was a great player for the club, but history is history, and now we are in another situation, and my players have to take it on. They have to keep getting points for the club.
Sir, you are satisfied with the penalty decision, sir?
Sorry?
Satisfied with penalty decision of the referee?
From my place, I cannot see that. What I'm not satisfied is with the action. I think that at the moment of the game, you have to avoid to try to get the ball. So I think that it's a good learning for Ashik. Ashik is a player who is giving us a lot. He's making a very good season. And sometimes when you are young, you need to live that kind of situations to keep improving as a player and to keep learning. So I think that he was fantastic today against Len and against Jackie Chan, but in that action, he's doing a double mistake. He's not clearing the ball first, and after that, he's making that fault that it's always easy to score a penalty than to score a goal in that situation because Jackie Chan was not with a lot of angle, and we have also Gurpreet who can cut the direction of the ball. So it's a double mistake, and I'm sure that Ashik is a clever player and he's going to learn from that.
Hi coach, FC Goa usually scores a lot of goals here at Fatota, but you were able to stop them from playing the natural game. How do you think your players did?
I think that we always get in troubles, Goa. We really work a lot. We have a plan, we go with the plan, and if you see the games, always we are maybe the team in the Super League who more is controlling the way that Goa is playing. So it means a big satisfaction for me because really, I work on that. I create the idea about what we are going to do, and until now it's working. I hope that it's also working in Cantriva when they visit us.
We'll take the last two questions.
Bangalore bossed the midfield, but they struggle to penetrate and get more shots at target. Why do you think that happened?
You mean for us?
Yes.
Oh, I think that if you see the last games against Goa, we always open the score with a set piece. Juanan set piece in Cantriva, Raúl Beque set piece here in Fatorda last season, and in the final, again, Raúl Beque. So I think that it was quite similar as always. Then when you get the 1-0, you have to try to go to the 2-0, because otherwise you know that you are going to suffer until the end. And it was what happened. We tried, we put Semboy to help us, we create some runnings with Ashik, with Sunil, with Udanta, but once you don't score the second goal, always it can be a chance for the other team to score the draw. And referee gave another chance, no? I don't know why he decided to give an extra ball to Goa when I was talking with Loera, with everybody. The game was over, and suddenly we have to defend another ball. I really cannot understand that kind of decisions.